Hello, our kitty can draw friends. Today we're drawing Otto from SuperKitties. No evil plans, just cute sketches. Let's start drawing. First, draw a large circle. And another smaller one inside to make the glasses. Then draw some lines along the rim of the glasses. Repeat the same step right next to it to make the other side. Let's draw the eye. Draw a half circle inside the glasses, then close it at the bottom with a wavy line. Draw a circle inside for the pupil, then draw a larger circle around it for the iris. And draw another half circle on top of the eye for the eyelashes. Draw another line right under the eye. Color the eyelashes and the pupil. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a half circle on top of the glasses on the left side and draw a similar one on the right side. Then connect them with a curve going down in the middle. Draw a line coming out from each side, then draw an oval shape in the middle and half an oval shape under. Draw a large half circle at the bottom to finish the face outline. Between the two eyes, draw a curve for the mouth and a half circle under. For the first two arms, draw two upside down letter U touching each other. Then draw a curve coming out from the inner side of each, going in opposite directions, then extend a line. And draw a long letter U facing sideways that looks like a long finger. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the fourth arm. Make the same shape of the letter U facing sideways on top of each arm. Repeat the same step again to make the last pair of arms. To make the sleeves, draw a diagonal shape at the end of each arm for the pair of arms right under the face. Draw a line in the middle of each of the other arms. For the collar, draw a line coming down at the bottom of the face, then draw a diagonal line connected to the arm. Repeat the same steps on the other side to finish the collar. Cute Otto! Now you can draw Otto the octopus from SuperKitties. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.